Hello students, let us see 10th Science English Medium reduced syllabus for the exams of June 2021. Let us see. First chapter, chemical reactions and equations, has been completely skipped. Second chapter, acid, bases and salts, 2.4, that is more about salts. This section has been completely skipped. Third chapter, metals and non-metals, is completely retained. The fourth chapter, carbon and its compounds, that is from part 2, page number 15 to 18, has been skipped. The fifth chapter, periodic classification of elements, has been completely retained. Nothing has been omitted. Complete chapter you have to study. In life processes, what are life processes? Nutrition and respiration, from page number 59 to 70, has been removed. It has to be skipped. Next, control and coordination, that is of science part 1. The complete chapter has been retained. You have to study whole chapter. Next, how do organisms reproduce? In this 8.1 and 8.2 of part 2, that is page number 37 to 42, has been skipped. Then heredity and evolution, complete chapter has been retained. You have to study whole chapter. Then light, reflection and refraction, from this chapter 10.8, reflection of light, and 10.2, spherical mirrors, that is of part 2, science part 2, page number 70 to 80, has been completely skipped. Only the refraction part after that up to the end has been retained, that you have to study. Then human eye and the colorful world, whole chapter has been skipped. It has been skipped. You need not learn it. Electricity, complete chapter is retained. Magnetic effects of electric current, complete chapter is retained. Then sources of energy, 14.2.1, that is fossil fuels, is skipped. Then 14.3, that is alternative or non-conventional sources of energy, from page number 111 to 112, and page number 115 to 119 from the part 2 of the science reader has been skipped. Next, our environment, 15.1, ecosystem, what are its components, has been skipped completely. 15.1.1, that is food chain and food webs, has been skipped. Page number 136 to 138, it has been skipped from part 1, science part 1. But remember that the subsequent topic, that is of energy levels diagram, energy flow diagram, from that onwards it has been retained. So you have to study that energy flow diagram from our environment, you have to study. Then you have sustainable management of natural resources, from this chapter 16.4, that is coal and petroleum, and 16.5, an overview of natural resource management, that is page number 135 to 137 of part 2, has been completely skipped. 16.4 and 16.5, page number 135 to 137, has been completely skipped. Remember this. And if you like this video, please put a like and share it with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel Innovate Education. Thank you.